All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your DJI Mini 2 controller. All right, so anyway, let's just take a look at it. Over here is your charging port, which you use a USB-C. And you'll notice right here, there's the two toggles that go on to these directional things right here. And so for what you got to do is kind of pop them out. If you look, there's screws on them. And then you just got to get them in the hole. Make sure you don't cross thread them. And just kind of like righty-tighty it to get it in there. Bam, that one's in. And then let's get this one out. And then same thing here. Get it in there, righty-tighty. All right, bam. And then down here you've got some controls. This is, you press this once, you press and hold it, and that turns it on. We're not going to do that right now. I'm just going to show you how to set it up. Here you've got this little, this is where your phone is cradled. If you have an iPhone, it cradles there. If you open this up, the top of the phone is going to cradle on these little rubber mounts, and this expands for different size phones, right? In the back here, you've got your Apple cord. Now it does come with Android USB-C cords that you can use. It comes with two different ones. This one's a lightning connector or cable, and you can see that goes for Apple. And when you're going to set it up, you're going to pull this back here just like that, okay? Let's go ahead and set this down for just a second. Over here, this right here, that controls the gimbal on the drone itself. And over here, you're going to press this to record. You're going to see a red button, or to take a picture with your camera on your drone, which is right here. Now to set it up, you open this all the way up, and as I said, you pull this cord to the side, to the right side. All right, and I'm just going to set it down for a second. I'm going to grab my iPhone here, and if you notice, the iPhone's port right here is for the lightning connector. That's going to go to the right side, this side, okay? And then there's a couple different ways you could do it. You could kind of like slide it like this in there, and then kind of take it and push it until you got it in all the way. It's not the best system, you can see. There we go. Okay, there we go, I'm on. So that, you could do it that way. Or if you had three hands, you know, you could pull it out and then just kind of try to set it in there, or have your assistant do that. All right, so anyway, let's push it over a little bit this way. All right, so now we're on, we got our phone on there. And now what we've got to do is take our cable, and we're just going to plug it in here, right? If I can, come on, get in there. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's in. That was ridiculous. How come I couldn't figure that out? All right, click that, and then let's open her up. Okay, so anyway, I've got the app on there. It's the DJI Fly. So, whoops, there it is right here. Let me just go ahead and press on it. And it's going to open up right here. And then once you're in there, you can go to the connection guide, and you know, you've got to turn the controller on, which is one press and then another press. But this video is basically just about how this thing works and how you use it. Right? I've got this set on CINE. That's the slowest speed for it. You could put it to normal, and if you're really a good pilot, you could put it to sport, where you're going to really do some tricks and fly it around. But I'm going to keep it on the slowest speed possible, and when I fly the drone. But anyway, that's how you set this up, and then you know, you've got to turn this on, and you've got to turn on your drone also, and then you can go fly it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff. Peace out.